Wait, take a look at this. I just found my second most reliable AI tool after ChatGPT, and the name is Nano Banana. Nano what? Banana. See, if you look at this picture, compare before and the after, and you understand. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? If you're really thinking what I'm thinking, you will know what's up. A lot of ideas will start coming into your head and you understand what to do. So when an AI tool is actually superb, you don't need to think so much before you can start thinking about the use cases. You start thinking about the use cases immediately. And yeah, I tell you, this is one project we've been trying to do for so long. But finally, Nano Banana. All of you will say, I don't say if I tell you, say, AI did this, next thing you know, which kind of AI? No, this is real project. I am looking to see him now. Let me pay my respects. May the soul of my father, may the souls of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace. Yeah, that is my faith. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to be using my dad's picture. No picture. My dad was an Air Force man. He was in the military, and he had this. You know, when you're promoted to a new rank, especially he's moving into the MPW rank, you need to get your tunic. That's your official uniform. That's the one they use for the ceremonial. Yeah, call it ceremonial uniform. You get it up and you take a very good picture, a very good portrait of yourself. And that is what my dad did. But you know now, life happens, times happen. You know that, things happen. Yeah. This picture was framed. This picture was framed and was placed in the parlor in the house, right? But the original picture, you can see the cracks around the picture, and it's difficult to restore. My first trial on this project was to use the ChatGPT. Was to use ChatGPT to get it fixed, yeah. But I tried all I could. I tried all the prompt I have in my big head, yeah. Nothing works, yeah. You just keep on changing my dad's face, and when any little detail changed, right, in terms of the resemblance on that image, that picture is as good as not it. So why do I just gave up the idea of trying to fix this portrait until today, when our Nano Banana came through Gemini. You get your Nano Banana. All you need to do is go to the bottom and select the model, the AI model you want to use, and then you pick Banana. It's titled Banana there, and that is it. So let's go there and do exactly what I did, and I'll show you all the prompt I did. And all those pictures that you have in the cupboard, or all those pictures that you've kind of your grandpapa or your grandmama, you can have a post-mortem remake-up of those pictures, and it will look as if they are here today, and you make it HD. Isn't that interesting? Go to your house, go and start getting those pictures out. Go to your phones, go to your archive, go and start bringing those pictures out. Let's fix them now. No need to waste time. Sit back, don't go nowhere. So you answer your data guy. Let's eat it hard now. Yeah, so it's that easy. You just go to your phone, either your Android or your iPhone. But you don't need a PC for it. You don't need a laptop. You don't need a desktop. Just your phone. You have your Gemini app open on the screen, and you hit your Gemini mobile app icon. When you hit the Gemini opens up, and you go to the bottom. Look at this part. You see image. Image with the banana icon. That is what you need. So you select it. It means that you are on this Nano Banana model on your Gemini. So this is how you use Gemini with Nano Banana. Nothing else. Nothing. No big deal. Yeah, before putting my prompt is to upload that image that is blurred, that is not good, that is old, that you want to fix. Upload it now. So you tap the plus sign. You tap the plus sign, you click on gallery. Then you go to your phone gallery, and it's going to look for those pictures. So I have my dad's picture on my phone, and I'll quickly go there, pick up that picture. So it just ensure that the picture is already in your phone. So I upload that picture into Gemini. And of course, I ensure that the image, the banana image showing, which is a Nano Banana image. And the next thing after uploading my picture is to just put my prompt. This prompt that I'm going to use, I'm going to put it on the description so that you can use it. You can pick it, you can amend on it. Yeah, there's no one fixed prompt, but that is what I use, and that's what worked for me. So I clicked on paste. I've already copied it, pasted somewhere, so I'll just click on paste. So the prompt says, restore this image without changing the resemblance of the original person in the portrait. So that's the first prompt. I'm going to improve on this prompt, and so that I don't need to go back and forth, because image generation, when you got to do image generation or video generation, sometimes it's good to just be very clear from the beginning. So I continue. I add another part to this prompt, and that's read. Let me paste it and I'll read it together. Improve the quality of the pixels to full HD and the colors, exposures, etc. Yeah. So that's it will do. And I've not finished. I will go to the last one. I will say transform the color of the shirts and hats to the same color code as I put a code. So this code is your my hexadecimal code that is produced on your pixel for the particular color. Every color has a code. So I just went to Google. I just searched this code. You went ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT. Just search the code for navy blue, and it will give you and you use it. I just want to be very specific. This is why I added the exact code, but you can just put navy blue based on, it mustn't be the code. I just try to be specific. So when that is done, all I need to do, I will just hit go, and you can see this round button here. Let's hit it and wait for the outcome. Sometimes it might be slow, but I think it's kind of fast now. So I have not uploaded the image, so he's asking me for the image. I think I did upload the image, but I don't know what happened. So, but let me upload the image again. He's asking me to upload the image. Please upload the image you would like me to restore and enhance. Because I've left the screen, I think that's why it happened that way. So, but you can always add the image at any time. So I go back quickly and look for that image in my gallery, my phone, and let's see. Let's go there. We will get there. We'll get there. So I've selected the picture again, and I said done, and I click enter. So you will just know that's the picture I'm talking about. And let's watch it happen. Let's watch the magic happen. It's time for me to play music and start dancing. When you're doing something good, you just go to enjoy yourself. No need to. You can do by yourself, man. So let's watch compare. You can see. This is in one pass, and I've gotten it. This is in one pass, and I've gotten it. Yeah, you can see. And this is the old. You can see. Let me download my work. I'm happy. Are you not happy? So go and get those pictures. Go and start restoring your pictures. Yeah, go and start doing it. You can do a lot. Yeah, those are the pictures you've given up on. Those are those portraits you've given up on. Even the one that where they have actually had the store on, you can use this tool to actually restore it. So these are useful cases for AI, not the one that you'll be doing something like you'll be creating a babe with AI, because you don't post babe for real life. No. Let's do something useful with AI, and that is why I'm here. If you're Handsome Data Guy, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to share this video. Let people see how these things are done. And you don't need to be calling me and say, do it for me. You can do it by yourself, and that's the essence of this video. You can do it. Let's empower ourselves. If you need this prompt exactly the way I put it, please go to the comment section and say the Django, and you get the prompt. Just write the Django, and you get that prompt straight. I know by now my dad will be smiling wherever he is. Rest in peace, Daddy. Rest in peace, Baba. I beg, let's go there. Muna go. No does it look. Share this video. Yes, so it's your Handsome Data Guy. Keep it up. Catch ya. Don't go.